Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another late night surprise. We got a Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Click on a link down below and see what other goodies they have to offer. And if you like this, all you gotta do is add it to your cart, check out, and get this shipped to you in no time. Let's see what it is. Oh boy. What is this? Head Shaver Pro. JINDING 5 replacement heads. Model that. Head shaver. Alright. I'm not sure that is it. How do I open this thing? Alright. Oh, everything falls out. Whoa. Oh, it's portable. I think. Never seen one of these. Like, whoa. Look at this bad boy. Flexes. I don't know how. Interesting. I never seen head shavers like this. Got a cleaning brush. Got USB cable. Got the oil to lube it up. I got a nice pocket size shaver, I guess, for the face. What's it for? Head shaver. For the head pro. I never seen one. It's tiny. Oh. Interesting. Pretty cool. You guys will get one at a low cost. This would be great for birthday gifts, Christmas. Bada boom. Nice color. You see the deal? Look at that. Bam. Something totally different. I wasn't not expecting this. So check them out. JINDING. Head Shaver Pro. Amazon Prime. Get one of these portable head shavers. I'm afraid. And it does work. I did a little bit on my hair. I ain't gonna do all, but interesting. Pretty cool. So if you guys want to get one, maybe like Father's Day, like I said, birthdays, Christmas gifts, would be a nice little travel size shaver. Pretty cool. So check them out, YouTubers. You guys have a good night. Be safe and see you back soon.